Welcome to Mbira lesson 3, which will be Nhemamusasa, our third song, and it is nicely based on the first two songs that we already did. So for this to work nicely, you need to know the Nhemamusasa melody already. So we're starting from that root note of ours, which is this note on the third note going to your left on the top row. And then you are playing 2 times like, and then that is sa of Nhemamusasa, the last sa of Nhemamusasa. That's where we're starting at. So it's like sa Nhemamusasa, 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 and then you start again sa. You get it? So now the first thing you need to do is to start from the root note and then figure it out. So you'll be playing, listening, is that the correct one? Is it singing Nhemamusasa melody? That's the first thing. And then the next step that we're gonna take is to count the different changes. So the changes is when you hit 2 times like, that is 1 change. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So Nhemamusasa has 12 chord changes, right? So the next thing now we're going to do is to, when you play the left thumb, you must also play the right thumb on this note. So this note, let's call it a 5. You get it? So it doesn't matter what 5 means, and now we're going to do the Mbira notation later when we get to more complicated songs, but for now you know it's a 5. And then the next one on its next is called a 6. So this is a 5, this is a 6, right? That's all you need to know for now. So now let's go change number 1. This side you're playing a 5. So change number 1, you're playing a 5, and then change number 2, you're playing a 5, and then change number 3, you are playing a 6. You get it? So from top, 2, 3, and then 4. Right? So the 4th change, you go back to that note there, which is a 5, right? And then now we're going to the 5th change. You go this side to the 6th. All those 5th change to 9th change, you play the 6th, right? Or the 6th, which is here. And then the rest, the 10th change, 11th change, and then 12th change, you are on the 5 here, right? So the whole thing will sound like this. Right? That's the whole thing. So now let's go to the last step of Nhemamusasa for today, because I don't want the video to be too long. I will make another video for the next step of the Nhemamusasa. So now the next step is to combine our notes this side, the ones that we're singing Nhemamusasa, with the bass notes that at the bottom, or the bigger brothers, right? So this one, you remember you're playing 2 times here, so now you play once. The second time you play the bigger brother that is on its side. So they're like 2 of them like this, a pair, bigger brother, right? So it will be like, and then for the next note, the bigger brother is on the leftish side of it. So, and then on the 3rd change, you play the same note on top here, but you hit the cousin that is on the far left here. So 1, well, I'm counting changes now. 1, 2, 3, right? And then 4. So 5, the bigger brother is here. The 5th change, the bigger brother is here, right? On the left hand side on the bottom. And then the next change when you come here is outside here, right? It's the cousin that's outside here. So let's try to count from top before we get confused. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. For the 7th change, you hit the bigger brother that is on the left side. So it's not directly on the left, it's you skip that one and then that one. That's the bigger brother of the 7th change, you see. And then 7, right? And then 8, 9, right? And then 10th change, 11, and then 12th change. Remember, on the 7th change, this one you pay to the bigger brother, but on the 12th change you don't pay to the bigger brother, you pay it with the cousin that is here, the tallest on the top row in the middle. So from top it will be like this. So from the next lesson, we'll also add another note this side, right? Right, and we'll check some other styles of the same Nhemamusasa on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a question, if something was not clear, I can respond. So you can just put it in the comments and say something on your way out, and subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss anything. See you on the next one.